Yes, welcome back, my dear smart children of class 10th. See the trigonometric identities. Dear children, it is very useful concept of trigonometry. Whenever you want to solve the problem of trigonometry, then the trigonometric identities are always required everywhere. That's why I am preparing a video for you. You recall the trigonometric ratios. If you have, this is a triangle, this angle is theta. For this angle theta, this side is called perpendicular, this is called base, and this is called hypotenuse. Now we recall the trigonometric ratios. Some people have curly black hair through proper brushing. Sin theta equal to P upon H. Cos theta equal to B upon H. See, both the trigonometric ratios having denominator H. ऐसे ही आप आइडेंटिफाई करिए. Tell me the trigonometric ratios they having the same denominator. Sin and cos first, second pair sec and tan. Sec theta is hypo upon base and tan theta is perpendicular upon base. There is another pair cot and tan, cot and cosec. So first relation for sin and cos, this is called first trigonometric identity. Dear children, why Pythagoras theorem? You remember the Pythagoras theorem? इस बार तो आपने इसको प्रूफ भी किया, इसका प्रूफ आना भी है ज्योमेट्री में. The perpendicular square plus base square equal to h square, since this is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, the sum of square of two sides is equal to the square of larger side. Now what is the denominator in the sin and cos? H. So divide each term with h square. Each and every step of this divided by h square. What happened? It is P upon H whole square. It is B upon H whole square. It is h square 1. Sin theta means P upon H. Then P upon H square, that is sin square theta. Remember, theta का स्क्वायर मत लगा दीजिएगा. sin square theta, P upon H का स्क्वायर, that is sin square theta, plus B upon H square, that is cos square theta, equal to 1. Remember, sin theta to the power 2 means एंगल का स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, sin square theta लिखेंगे इसको. You remember this. Similarly for cos. This is the first trigonometric identity, dear children. It is very useful. With the help of this, we solve so many questions. Whenever you required sin square theta in terms of cos square theta, you say, sir, sin square theta written as 1 minus cos square theta. If anywhere you required cos square theta in terms of sin square theta, then you say cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. इसके ट्रांसपोजिशन से ये जो जनरेट होती हैं, they are called सब आइडेंटिटीज. इसी आइडेंटिटी के फॉर्म हैं. We use these identity to solve the problem of trigonometric identity. This is very useful identity. Now dear children, identify the second pair of trigonometric ratios, they having the same denominator. First you recall the tan theta. What is the tan theta? Through proper brushing, that is P upon V. And another trigonometric ratio which having the same denominator B, that is H upon B, reciprocal of cos. You remember this trigonometric ratio also. Now by Pythagoras theorem, you know, what do you know? You know, sir, Pythagoras theorem, you remember? Yes, p square plus b square is equal h square. Now see the denominator of both. What is the denominator? B. In first case, see the first identity. In the first case, you have the common denominator h, so you divide each term with h square. Here you divide with b square, so divide each term with v square. Then what happen? P upon b whole square plus 1 equal to h upon b whole square. P upon b, that is tan theta, स्क्वायर लगा हुआ है, tan स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1 इक्वल टू h अपॉन b, दैट इज sec स्क्वायर थीटा. रिमेंबर, tan theta square, that is tan square theta. What are the sub identities? With the help of this identity, you have two sub identity. Suppose you want to write tan square theta in terms of sec, then you say 1 का ट्रांसपोजिशन कर दीजिए, so it is sec square theta minus 1. Suppose you want to convert 1 in terms of sec and tan, then you say, sir, tan square theta is transferred to right hand side, that is, it is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Yes, dear children, similarly third one. Tell me the third trigonometric ratios pair in which the denominator is common. They are cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan through proper brushing, that is b upon p, and cosec theta reciprocal of sine. Some people have, that is h upon p. Both are having same denominator p. By Pythagoras theorem, you remember the Pythagoras theorem? We say perpendicular square plus base square equal to h square. Dear children, here you have denominator as p, so you divide each term with p square. इसकी सारी टर्म को p square से डिवाइड कर दिया. Then p square cancel. What happened? It becomes 1 plus b upon p whole square. It is equal to h upon p whole square. What is b upon p? My dear children, b upon p is cot theta, so it is written as cot square theta. It is equal to h upon p, that is cosec, so it is cosec square theta. This is the third trigonometric identity and very useful also. On the basis of this identity, you have other two form. If you want to convert cot square theta in terms of cosec square theta, then you say cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. 1 को शिफ्ट कर देंगे. Suppose you want to convert 1 in terms of cosec and cot, then 1 equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. These are the three trigonometric identities. They are very useful. Please prove them and learn them. Dear children, in the examination hall, generally the children and my little lovely children of class 10th generally commit the mistake. They forgot the identity. So inside the examination hall, no need to prove them. How you recall the identities? So the first identity is very easy. You always remember sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. First identity आप सबको learn होती है, ये आप लिख लेते हैं. Now you divide each term of this identity with cos square theta. सारी टर्म को cos square theta से डिवाइड कर लीजिए. ये आपको लिखना नहीं होता है, अपने मन में आप लिख के ऐसे ओरल डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. आपके ब्रेन में ये ऑपरेट होना चाहिए. Sin upon cos, you remember in previous video we discussed sin upon cos, that is tan. So sin square theta upon cos square theta, that is tan square theta. Cos square theta cancel, and you remember 1 upon cos, that is sec here square. So you get the second identity. फर्स्ट से आपको सेकेंड मिल गई. कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा कि टेन प्लस वन होता है कि माइनस होता है कि सेक लेफ्ट में होता है. वेन एवर यू हैव सच टाइप ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, देन यू राइट द फर्स्ट वन एंड डिवाइड ईच टर्म विथ यस cos square theta. Very nice. Then third one, if you have write once again this identity, ये first है, ये second है, third लाने के लिए divide each term of this identity with sin square theta. So sin square theta से divide करिए, sin square theta plus sin upon sin square theta, cos square theta upon sin square theta equal to 1 upon sin square theta. So my dear children, sin square cancel 1. You remember cos upon sin, that is cot. So it is cot square theta. 1 upon sin, that is cosec square theta. So you get third one. So no need to learn, no need to prove. How you recall in the examination hall, whenever you need to applying the identity, you make such type of practice. You work out in such a way, then you convert the first and second one as well as first and third one, then you never have the confusion. So try to write these identities again and again, write these relations. These are the mathematics basic fundamentals. If you learn these fundamentals, then you are able to solve all the problem of exercises of trigonometry. Now in next video we will discuss the problem of your exercise. These are the basic fundamentals. So आज के वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. जिन भी बच्चों ने वीडियो लाइक और शेयर नहीं किया, जरूर लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत. टेक केयर.